Hey guys, I am about to unbox a t-shirt I bought. I just don't remember buying it, but hey. It's my name. It's right here. I think I know what it is, but I don't remember buying it, but oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. I do remember buying it. Okay, if you hold on. You buy something from a hold on. Wait, hold on. You buy something from a Taylor Swift merchandise? Hold on. You get stars. Sweet. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. You get stars. That's pretty cool. Uh, get that out of the way. It is a Taylor Swift shirt. Off her Eras. You know, it's in color. I like it. It's nice. It's heather gray. I don't know what that even means, but if somebody can explain that to me in the comment section, as a guy, I don't know the difference between heather gray and regular gray. Is the person named Heather? Her last name was Gray? Maybe that's where they got it from? I don't know. I'm a dude. I don't know the difference between heather gray and gray. Heather gray or gray. I know blue, red, gray, yellow, orange, and pink. White, any other colors. I don't know the difference between all the other colors. You know, dark red, don't know the difference. But hey, just explain to me what the difference between heather gray and gray. You know, this is her Eras, her Era T-shirt. You know, I like it. It's a 2X. It'll fit me. Hey, I like. You know, I think I got another one coming in.